You study for hours. You understand everything in class, but when the results come out, average, maybe even worse. Here's what nobody's saying. The system taught you how to memorize. It never taught you how to learn. And there's a massive difference. If you're watching this, you're not lazy. You're not dumb. You're smart enough to realize something's broken. I failed 2 major exams in college even though I spent entire nights studying. I thought I was the problem. Turns out, I was playing a game where the rules were rigged from the start. Today, I'm breaking down exactly why intelligent students like you are struggling and the 3 shifts you need to make starting today. Here's the dirty secret about being smart. When you're naturally intelligent, school is easy at first. You don't need to study much. You just get it, so you never learn how to study. Then suddenly, around high school or college, the difficulty jumps, and you hit a wall. But instead of learning new strategies, you do what always worked before. You just try harder, more hours, more notes, more stress, and it doesn't work. This is called the intelligence trap. Your biggest strength becomes your biggest weakness. The truth? Smart students fail because they rely on understanding instead of retention. You get the concept in class so you think you know it, but 2 weeks later during the exam, gone. Understanding is not the same as memory. Here's the first shift. Stop asking, do I understand this? Start asking, can I explain this without looking? Spend 10 minutes after every study session explaining the topic out loud. To your wall, your phone, doesn't matter. If you can't explain it simply, you don't actually know it yet. This one shift will put you ahead of 80% of students. Now let's talk about what school never told you. The education system was designed over 100 years ago to create factory workers, people who follow instructions, people who memorize and repeat. So they taught you to sit still for hours, memorize information you'll forget after the test, study subjects in isolation. But here's reality. Your brain wasn't built for 6-hour study marathons. Science shows focus drops after 25 to 50 minutes. Yet you're trying to power through 3-hour sessions wondering why nothing sticks. You're not broken. The method is broken. The second shift, study in short, intense bursts. 25 minutes of deep focus, 5-minute break, repeat. This matches how your brain actually functions. And here's the game changer. Active recall beats passive reading every single time. Don't just reread your notes. That's fake studying. Instead, close your book. Write down everything you remember. Check what you missed. Focus only on those gaps. This feels harder. That's exactly why it works. Your brain grows when it struggles, not when it's comfortable. Let me tell you something that might hurt. You're waiting for motivation that's never coming. Successful students don't feel motivated every day. They just have better systems. Motivation is an emotion. It comes and goes. You can't control it. But discipline, that's a skill, and you can build it. Here's what actually works. Create friction for bad habits. Add ease to good habits. Want to stop scrolling at night? Put your phone in another room. Want to study in the morning? Put your books on your pillow before bed. Your environment shapes your behavior more than your willpower ever will. The third shift, stop trying to feel like studying. Just make it so easy to start that you can't say no. Tell yourself, I'll just study for 5 minutes. That's it, 5 minutes. Starting is the hardest part. Once you're in it for 5 minutes, you'll usually keep going. Lower the barrier. Stop making it this big dramatic thing. You know what nobody talks about? You're not failing because you're not studying enough. You're failing because you're burned out. You're running on anxiety, caffeine, and 5 hours of sleep. Your brain is literally too exhausted to form memories. Sleep is when your brain transfers information from short-term to long-term memory. Skip sleep, lose everything you studied. Listen to me carefully. 1 night of good sleep will help you more than 3 extra hours of cramming. Here's what you do tonight. Stop studying 1 hour before bed. No screens 30 minutes before sleep. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Non-negotiable. You'll study less and remember more. Your grades aren't suffering from lack of effort. They're suffering from lack of recovery. Here's what I wish someone told me earlier. The system never prepared you for this, and that's not your fault. But now you know. Now you have the strategies. You're not failing because you're not smart enough. You're failing because you're using methods designed to make you fail. Smart students succeed when they stop playing the system's game and start playing their own. Active recall instead of rereading. Short bursts instead of marathons. Systems instead of motivation. Recovery instead of grinding. This is your permission to do things differently. I believe in you. You wouldn't be watching this if you didn't care. You have everything you need. You just needed someone to show you the real rules. Here's what happens next. You take one thing from this video, just one, and you use it today. Not tomorrow. Today. Start small. Build momentum. Prove to yourself that you're capable. Because you absolutely are. If this helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real advice that actually works. Drop a comment telling me which shift you're trying first. Let's go build the version of you that you know you can be. I'll see you in the next one.